Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel where we break down money matters in the simplest way possible. Today, we're tackling a question that many people worry about. Can I open a bank account with a low credit score? If you've been stressing about your credit score and wondering if it'll stop you from opening a bank account, good news, most banks don't even check your credit. Yep, you heard that right. Unlike credit cards or loans, checking accounts and savings accounts usually don't require a credit check. Banks are more interested in your banking history than your credit score. But there's a catch. Some banks will look at your record with check systems, which tracks past banking issues like bounced checks or unpaid fees. If you've had problems with previous accounts, some banks might deny you. Try a second chance bank account. These are special accounts designed for people who have had banking problems in the past. Second chance accounts usually come with fewer features and may have monthly fees, but they allow you to rebuild your banking history. Over time, if you maintain a good record, many banks will let you switch to a regular account with no restrictions. Examples include Wells Fargo Clear Access Banking and Chime Spending Account. Consider online banks or credit unions. Online banks and credit unions tend to have more flexible requirements than traditional banks. Many of them don't use check systems, meaning past banking mistakes won't always disqualify you. Plus, online banks often have lower fees and better perks, like high-interest savings accounts. Some good options include Ally Bank, Varo, and Chime. If you prefer in-person banking, local credit unions might be a great alternative since they focus on helping their members rather than maximizing profits. Prepaid debit cards. If you're struggling to open a bank account, a prepaid debit card can be a temporary solution. These work like regular debit cards, but instead of being linked to a bank account, you load money onto the card and spend only what's available. While they don't help you build banking history, they can still be useful for managing money, making online payments, and receiving direct deposits. Some popular prepaid cards include Bluebird by American Express and NetSpend Visa Prepaid Card. So, yes, you can still open a bank account with a low credit score. Just be mindful of your banking history. If this video helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more personal finance tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next one.